them, which I've talked to y'all about already. So go ahead and lie down on your side here. Posterior glute med. So for the, so for glute med and glute max, with the leg extended, you're just gonna abduct, excuse me. And you ask them to hold there, it's about 45 degrees. Hold there, your resistance is at the distal femur, and I'm just stabilizing at the proximal hip, and there. That's your 3 to a 5, or 2 plus to a 5. Okay? You can bend, you can have them flex the bottom leg for that test as well, just to give them a little bit more balance, to improve their balance with this test. Okay, hold there, same thing here. To get the posterior glute med fibers, go ahead and scoot back a little bit. You block here. Remember I said if the table's too high, or this table's a little bit higher than what I would have in the test for, but you want to block their lumbopelvic region with your whatever, what is this called? Inguinal fold. You flex and it's abducted. Externally rotate so their toes are pointing towards the ceiling. I'm blocking with my body so that I can use both hands to position her leg, okay? Once she's in this position, knees bent down here, I'm gonna ask her to hold it. Hold your toes so they're up towards the ceiling, okay? Hold it there. If she can do that, then I remove my hip, my body, and now I'm blocking with my hand, and I'm applying resistance straight down, okay? I want me to do it again. So here, block with my body, externally rotate so the toes are pointing towards the ceiling. Hold it there. Don't let your foot drop. If you can, I'm replacing this. Feel it right there.
Are you adding this one?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes. It's not on this. So that's just a bit more specific than number 52.
Say it one more time. So the bottom knee's bent.
Bottom knee's bent, blocking with your body. Position the leg into abduction, external rotation. Their toes have to stay towards the ceiling. If when I let go, she's unable to hold and those toes deviate, it goes straight to a 2 plus.
She flexed also?
Yeah.
Flexed.
Yes, she's not in neutral.
What was the 45 degrees, the flexion?
Yeah. Abduction and flexion.
Abduction and flexion.
Because she's flexed and she's abducted. Externally rotate. If she can't hold that external rotation and her femur moves internally, that means the toes are dropping down towards the floor. That's automatically a 2 plus. If they can hold the position, can't take resistance, it's a 3. If they can take resistance, 3 plus 4, 5.
And where exactly did you do apply the resistance again?
Distal tibia. So here, hold it. Stabilize after you finish. If you don't stabilize, they're going to tend to roll back. Okay, you don't test from that position. You test them in neutral. Hold there. Apply distal tibia to the distal tibia. Straight down. Then the next one, can I go on?
Yeah. Posterior fibers, maybe.
The back portion of the workout. So the fibers, you know, your glutes, the fibers are kind of coming like this. The posterior fibers.
Okay, so the one,
Closest to the glutes.
Are they just specifically medically relevant
For hip drop, they're clinically important for hip drop for the most part, which is really common. TFL is 53. So you're gonna have the patient inside lying, their leg is extended, and their hip is flexed about 45 degrees. So it's the same position, knee is here, they're up, and then you just apply down. That's the difference, where you put the resistance.
Okay, so the resistance for that?
Distal
is
femur,
Distal femur, and the resistance for the posterior glute is at the tibia.
tibia.
It's not externally rotated.
No, and the external rotation, thank you. There's no external rotation for the TFL. The only one with the external rotation there was your PGM.
Wait, it says they're both distal femurs, so which one's tibia? Sorry.
The one you had right in yourself.
Yeah, PGM, the one you just showed me. Okay. Hip adduction, you're testing the top or the bottom leg? Bottom leg. So you're gonna put the top leg in about 30 degrees of flexion, should be, or abduction. So here, bring this leg into neutral, okay? So you don't want her extended and you don't want her hip flexed. Her leg is extended here, and you wanna see, can you lift your leg? Okay, hold there, apply resistance to the distal femur. Okay, just like that. For these tests, so the highest you can get there is a 2+, go ahead and roll supine for me. For hip abduction, go ahead and straighten both legs. Abduction is just how far can you move your leg in this position. Go for it. A 2. Adduction, you kind of move her leg out the way, and then how far can you move your leg to that side? This one. There you go. But try not to flex it. Keep it on the table. There you go. So legs live on the table, no flexion. Okay, highest you can get there is a 2. Any questions? That's all of them. Isn't this better?
Uh-huh.
All right, practice those and then you're done.
Okay.
Because that's the